Namo Ratnatriyaya, Vajrayan Views and Vajrayan Talk. It's a program presented by Rajendra Man Vajrachari, myself, on behalf of Vajrayan Federation, Nepal. In this chapter or in this program, since few episodes, it means more than 25 episodes before, we have described you the detailed process of Vajrayana Buddhist ordination. After getting the Buddhist ordination and residing at the Jinasangha Mahavihara, Jinasangha member, what they used to perform in daily life, Sila Samadhi Pragya, Jnana, and all the performance from morning to evening, whatever they used to perform, after they were returning back to their own household also, they are practicing the same. Just it is difference one is when they were staying at the Jinasangha, they have wear the red robe, and when they return back to home, they off the robe and wearing household dresses, but they are practicing all the functions, whatever they have practiced in the Jinasangha, they also back to home and practice whole principles and whole the needed practices, whatever they practice in Jinasangha, they also practice in the household life too. So, in this process, early in the morning after Nikon, the daily memorizing process of all the processes during the period of Buddhist ordination, early in the morning they will take the bath and then make the cleaning and of the place of the sacred agama. Then after they perform the Guru Mandalarchan Puja, then after they taking they will practice with the beads to memorize to recite the mantras for memorizing all the teachings which they have got during the period of Buddhist ordination. After that, daily they will recite the Lalita Vistara Sutra of 9 Navavyakaran Sutra, one chapter or one sutra. And since 3-4 episodes, I'm describing you Nidana Parivarta Sutra of Lalita Vistara. Nidana Parivarta Sutra of Lalita Vistara is a comprehensive knowledge of, in totality, to have the comprehensive knowledge of the Lalita Vistara Sutra for cleansing our life. And for cleansing our life means to give up all the attachments, to give up all the defilements, to give up sins. So, to separate from and to give up all the defilements, sins and attachments means it is one kind of curing the whole process and whole body and the environment too. So, Nidana means to cure from the sufferings. So, being a Buddha, we should free from all the sufferings. We should free from all the attachment. We should free from all the sufferings, sins. So, Lalita Vistara Sutra being a whole process of whole history of whole documentation of Shakyamuni Buddha's prior life to Nirvana. Nidana Parivarta Sutta gives you the preview of the followers too, because when Nidana Parivarta Sutras says that when Shakyamuni Buddha was donated, Shakyamuni Buddha in Sravasti Nagara, Anatha Pindaka built a Jetavana Vihara, and it was that Vihara was donated to the Shakyamuni Buddha. And in that Vihara, Shakyamuni Buddha, when going to give discourses, Dharmadesana, in that mass gatherings of 32,000 Buddha Bodhisattvas, 12,000 Vichus, including Anatha Jnana Kondika and the king of Sravasti, prince of Sravasti, and the ministerial council and the order followers were gathering. And at a time when Shakyamuni Buddha going to preaching or delivering the discourses, Dhamma, Sandesa, at a time, first of all, Shakyamuni Buddha recited Adau Kalyanam, Madeva Kalyanam, Pareva Sane Kalyanam, Swardam Subyanjalam, Kevalam, Paripurna, Pareva Datam, Brahmacharya Prakashistam. It means for the benefit of all the sentient beings, for the benefit of the universe, this discourses is useful. The past past period and the present period and the future period, in all the periods it will give the benefits for to free to liberation from all the clinging sins and the defilements. And when Shakyamuni Buddha was delivering the Dhamma Desana, at a time he memorized that his past life, that is Purva Buddhanusmriti Sanga Jnana Lokalankara. It means Shakyamuni Buddha remember all his past lives, and with memory of his past life, he is delivering that speech in that gatherings of Buddha Bodhisattva, king, and the Vichu Sangha. At that time, his Usnisa, from here is the aura spread out. Because of that, all the environment are very brightened. All the gatherings feels very well. The environment is very peace and melancholy. In this way, Shakyamuni Buddha given the knowledge of Buddhism and Dharma Desana. And at that time, Ishvara Maheshwara means all Hindu deities also requested him to deliver Lalita Vistara Sutra, because Lalita Vistara Sutra is a comprehensive knowledge of to be a Buddha. So, Ishvara Maheshwara means the Hindu deities, gods and goddesses also requested. So, it is given information to that mass. And also, Shakyamuni Buddha told that Lalita Vistara Sutra requested to deliver to in his past life to Vipasvi Buddha and Dipankara Buddha, by the Dipankar Buddhas to Vipasvi Buddha, and Vipasvi Buddha tells the Lalita Vistara's description to all the Dipankara Buddha bodhisattvas. Along with at that time, Lalita Vistara Sutra is described at the to the Padmotara Bodhisattva, Dharmaketu Bodhisattva, and other Dipankara Buddhas. So it is the Lalita Vistara Sutta is so much valuable, utmost important to have knowledge within us too, because having the knowledge, comprehensive knowledge of Lalita Vistara Sutra, we could success to have the comprehensive knowledge, we could success to work on the path of Bodhisattva Charya and Dana Paramita. We can have knowledge about what should we donate, what should we have to donate for to whom. It is all knowledge will we can get from the Lalita Vistara Sutra. So, because of these information, we can conquer the Maras, means obstruction which we can get from. We will the obstruction, the disturbance we are having from the outside and inside Maras, the disturbance we can leave, and we will liberate from the disturbances too. So this Lalita Vistara Sutra, as it is not only the historical facts and figures, it's the life history of Sakyamuni Buddha. It is the doctrine of botanical science, life science, medical science, geology, geography, and anything. So it is utmost important to have knowledge about the Lalita Vistara Sutra. During yesterday, till yesterday, we have described all this, and I have reviewed all the episodes about the Nidana Parivartana Sutra in today's episode. And after reviewing that, again Sakyamuni Buddha tell that Trishna Bhava, attachment, is the most harmful for us. So attachment, we should leave from every kind of attachments. So after leaving the, if we could success to leave out the attachments, we can free from the attachment, then only we can success to work on the path of Buddha Bodhisattvas. So after describing this, Sakyamuni Buddha in the next day, again he had given the discourses at Karimandala Mada, the place Karimandala Mada discourses. Again he repeated that yesterday's whatever I have told you, all the Dharma Sangha and the followers of gatherings of the mass, yesterday I have told you because of the request of Ishvara, Maha-Ishvara, the Hindu deities, because they also want to liberate from the defilements. They also want to free from the sufferings. So yesterday, whatever I have told you, because of the request of Ishvara, Maha-Ishvara, of the Hindu deities, Hindu gods, when Sakyamuni Buddha told this version, the mass gatherings requested him, along the Buddha Bodhisattvas, we want to hear detailed description, detailed dharmadesana, the preachings about the Lalita Vistara Sutra. So please, we are wishing to have detailed knowledge about the Lalita Vistara Sutra. Please tell us, give us the detailed information about the Lalita Vistara Sutra. In this way, because of this requesting, and from the second chapter of Lalita Vistara, really the description of every part and nook and corner of the Buddha life starts. So today just I have reviewed from Buddhist ordination to the Nidana Parivarta Sutra of Lalita Vistara. So from tomorrow, actually, I am giving you an elaborated information about the Lalita Vistara Sutra, which is the second chapter. And tomorrow, we will give you the preview, elaboration about Samutsaha Parivarta, chapter 1. So I want to bye for today, and we will really discuss Lalita Vistara Sutra from tomorrow. Please be keep in touch tomorrow as well. And for today, I'm taking leave. Bhavatu Sarva Mangalam.